Hello friends. On this occasion I will share a video on how to reset Huawei P20 to factory settings. Common problems such as frequent hangs, decreased performance and even boot loops are often experienced by smartphone users. Therefore, every device manufacturer must have the option to reset to factory settings. For those of you Huawei P20 Pro users, take it easy, I will share a tutorial on Huawei P20 Pro smartphone easily. First, open the Settings menu on your Huawei P20 Pro. Scroll down and tap the System option. Next, tap the Factory Data Reset option. Then select Reset Phone option. Confirm by tapping Reset Phone button. Now your smartphone will be reset, and the process takes a few minutes. When the reset is complete, you can use your smartphone like new again.